Wow, we are on day 97. Yay! Day 97. The project is about to get finished. I need to think about my my cover. Sorry, my brain went on vacation just all of a sudden. I need to think about my cover. I don't. Oh, that's cute too. I don't know that. That it's going to get done immediately because I have a few other things to do, but I will be getting my cover done, and I will be stitching up the book, and I will make videos of those things, just so y'all know. I think the cover is going to be probably something similar to what I've been doing, but I'll probably do a little year, like 2019, and the name of the project for the cover. Something on that order. I don't know yet what I'm going to do, but I know for sure that it'll have to have some kind of information on it, something. Oh, these are cool. Actually, so are these. You know, I've looked in this book, and I've looked in this book, and I've looked in this book, and I hadn't really noticed those before. So it's all what you see. And it's all about having fun. So I am going to work on this, and I will be back, and I will talk to you towards the end. When I saw this little guy in my, when I was looking for images, he just seemed so perfect, like he had to be on a page, and he has just the most shocked expression. I just love the way he looks. He's looking like, oh my gosh, really? Anyways, I thought it was kind of cute. I think this one came out pretty good. I like how the butterfly sort of mimics some of the colors in the photo that I used out of my little book. So I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and find out what my next project is. Maybe lunch. To be creative, you must feel creative, not think creative. You must feel creative, not think creative. Well, we'll think about that one. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you've had fun. There's only a few more days of the project, and I'll talk to you later. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.